Hello, everybody. Welcome to this beautiful day. We're going to go over the law of attraction and faith. What I mean by that is many people don't believe what they're saying in their affirmations and everything else. And faith goes hand in hand with the law of attraction. Even Jesus said in the Bible, as a man thinketh, so is he. So we really have to get down with our faith. Do we really believe it? And we can say it and say it and say it until we believe it. But what do you really believe? Do you believe you deserve the blessings? Or do you believe that money is the root of all evil? Actually, it says the love of money is the root of all evil. And I interpret that as people that are money hungry and they don't have a focus or anything. They just want to do whatever with it. Some of us have goals, financial obligations, generational wealth. The Bible also says that a good man or woman leaves an inheritance for his children and children's children, your grandchildren. So in order to do this, money can't be bad because that's what we have. We don't collect cows anymore. That's what we have to work with. It's a tool. And the tool is used for good or for bad. There's yin and yang, good and bad in this world, and we have to accept that. But you can choose what you want to do with your blessings. And it's not just money, it's relationships, it's peace of mind, it's joy, it's excitement. And the Lord said that He came to give life and give it more abundantly. So some people are having a hard time lining the law of attraction up with the Bible. And it's there, but many of us, including myself, did not see it that way at first. I was introduced to the law of attraction many years ago, but I was afraid of it because I am also a Christian and I couldn't connect the dots. Then all of a sudden, it was brought to my attention the scriptures and everything that went with it, and it was like a light bulb went off, as though God said, here it is. I've been talking about it for years and everything, and then I found sermons on it and everything else, and the fear left. I'm like playing catch up. Yes, it's there. Okay, I'm with it. So our faith goes hand in hand with the law of attraction. What do you believe? Because as a man thinketh, so is he. If you think you're always going to be in poverty, you will be. If you think you're always going to be sick and unhappy, you will be. Or on the other hand, do you believe what God says? Now, God is my supply. He supplies me with everything. And if I look back over my life when I was homeless and in between divorces or in between marriages and all that, and what I lost things, everything, a few times in my life and had to start over from scratch. All I took with me was things I wanted to leave my children when they grew up, which they have now. But God brought me through all of that, and He's still bringing me through. When I look around right now, when I was sleeping on a couch and now I have a bed, I am very grateful. I am grateful that I have hot and cold running water. There was a time we had to haul our water, and it was more like camping than living. And there's so many things that He has brought me out of. Abusive relationships, just tons of things, being beat up all the time. Not to mention when I was abused as a young child. I lived, although the doctors thought I would not. And same with losing my leg in 2011. The doctors thought I would not survive, and here I am to talk to you guys. So it's all along the lines of faith. What do you truly believe? What's in your heart, and what do you want? Don't be afraid anymore to ask God for what you want. Ask the universe, ask Jesus, ask your angels and guides. You have divine help all around you, and you don't even know it. Most of us are unaware of it because it's not right in front of our eyes. But everything is created by our words, our thoughts, and our feelings. So if we line them up and know that we're always creating anyway, no matter about the law of attraction, we created our reality. We attracted things into our lives that we wanted and didn't want. So knowing the law of attraction and lining it up with your faith, you can begin to attract and manifest a better life. You can go from zero to lots in a very short period of time. Women out there, wives, you can fill your freezer. I have. You can do so many things. Men can succeed. We have success in us, and the wealth of the wicked is laid up for the just, and the righteous take it by force, which means you go after it. You go after it in faith that God, the universe, Jesus, the angels are leading us to the right path, to the right resources, the right teachers, the right books and courses that we need to take to learn. So you didn't happen upon my channel by accident. I truly believe I only attract the people that need to hear what I have to say. And you are amazingly blessed, whether you see it or not. You're alive. You woke up this morning. That shows right there that you have something special to do in this world right now. Excuse me. But this is a pretty short video here to encourage you to line up your faith while using the law of attraction. Always have faith, not just with the law of attraction, but anything in your life. God is for you. If God be for us, who can be against us? So take it for what it is. Now, I speak from my faith. I'm a Christian, and that's important to me. Wherever you're at, start there. And down below is a prayer that I say daily. And you might want to look through the descriptions and pray the prayer and do the affirmations there. And just begin to do them for 30 days and see what shows up. Open your mind, open your heart to receive from God, from the universe, and see what happens. There are surprises all over the place. If you're in financial need, there may be an aunt or an uncle that you don't even know about that leaves you an inheritance, and I have heard of this happening. You could find a diamond ring under a leaf, and that has happened. There's so many success stories I have heard for people receiving what they are wanting to manifest. So don't give up now. Trust God, trust the universe, trust Jesus. Ask your angels for help and guidance. Don't be afraid. Do it today and start changing your life. God bless you all, and may you have a fabulous day. It's a beautiful day here, and I wish you guys all blessings in every area of your life. Bye for now.